This is Botfront, an open source platform to build context-aware chatbots using a natural interface. Let's create a simple conversation. The user says hi to the bot. We can write a response and ask how our user feels today. We could have different answers from our user, so let's branch our conversation and start with a happy one. You can also create responses with buttons and map intents and entity to each of them. Now, we can handle side users in another branch. Here, the intent was not guessed correctly. Let's change it and save it so our chatbot can learn it. And let's give a compassionate response to our side user. Now, it's time to train our bot. Botfront is integrated with Rasa, the best conversational AI library. Once your bot is trained, you can try it right away in the app and verify that your flows work as expected. You can deploy your bot on your website with the chat widget we provide. And many other channels are on the way.